Fortune, you can't just leave me.
I can't be with you anymore. It's over.
Why?
Because you are broke.
Damn.
Yes. Why should you go broke? Why guys are making money on 1xBet?
1xBet?
Yes. Just download the 1xBet app from Google Play Store or App Store and make sure you register with the peer pressure promo code Vision2020. That's all, and get 200% free bonus on your first deposit. And start betting and making money with it.
Are you serious?
Of course, 100% sure. When you register with the promo code Vision2020 and make a deposit of 50 Ghana cedis and make 200% bonus, and then you start making money on your bet.
So you also bet?
Of course.
Yes, 1xBet is for both males and females.
Hey! I just want 5,000 Ghana cedis from 1xBet. Seriously? Yes! Hey!
Yeah, in the system, so I don't.
20 minutes one more. One more. Flop. And now 1xBet at our man. Come on, Johnny.
Yes, join 1xBet today and start making money before you get broken heart.
Yeah, Vision Nation, baby.
Previously on Peer Pressure.
And why were you not in my class today?
The headmaster needed some three wise men to read the farm to him.
Yes, sir. Why did I order you to read my farm?
Master, we were just passing around and we saw some unwanted views around, so we decided to read it.
Yeah. Yes, sir. Yes.
Unwanted views.
Wonderful. You students are interesting.
Kyekyeku, what? Queen mother of a Joseph, baby of family.
What? Can't I ask you questions?
You didn't come to class and you are standing here asking questions. Kyekyeku.
K in the building. It's first to the Kyekyeku. Violin. Yeah. Vision Nation. Say, Mobian Dada, more in Bradian, no one paid your crab one pair. Mobia more pressure, him talk was from my best friend. School girl CP needs to buy open now for same day I will be a lesbian. Fraud boys P no boy or back class hour the banks no team seen to the bank. More in break and Satanya back you 240. Peer pressure, if the reals one can't see me never found yeah and I'm in my wood. It became Mujagu for the council, trying to 7 flags there no idea about. Sugar mama phone a date or no didn't come out what say yeah my papa. Be any fear free to a baby I do tutu. Now for some no go take you anywhere to stay cool. Be any fear free to a baby I do tutu. Now for some no go take you anywhere to stay cool. And that's a before, peer pressure before. 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 Peer pressure, peer pressure, peer pressure, peer pressure, peer pressure, peer pressure. Pressure. Be any fear free to a baby I do tutu. Now for some no go take you anywhere to stay cool. Be any fear free to a baby I do tutu. Now for some no go take you anywhere to stay cool. And that's a before, peer pressure before. A before, peer pressure before. A before. Peer pressure before, peer pressure before, peer pressure, peer pressure, peer pressure, peer pressure.
I feel so fly when I try that thing that make them say alright. I feel so fly in my mind. So would you help me sing alright?
Tell me I'm coming why you did that. You should go be home.
So I want to go for prep.
Should the prep seven of us and do your family.
Come around.
Forget to my own dream. Say no man, say go to
We can take it to a better place. Family and friends love me. All they get to make me smile. So cool, so hip with the swag, it makes me fly. I feel so fly when I try.
Okay. As I said, learn hard, okay?
Okay, sir.
Learn very hard, okay?
Okay, sir.
So you, okay?
We sipping on something that you probably wanna tell us. We about to set a pace. Just pop the bottle, we gon' take it to a better place. Family and friends love me. All they get to make me smile. So cool, so hip with the swag, it makes me fly. I feel so fly when I try.
One planet. She just a near to let us survive. So relax. What is it? Worry about it, huh? Relax. I'll handle it. Okay. Oh, handle her. You don't want to know, okay? Relax, okay? You go, come.
I'll be expecting this in the midterm class sessions.
No. We shall need to come to the night. You go.
I'm feeling so high, you can't let me say. We sipping on something that you probably wanna taste. I can't in your face. We about to set the pace. Just pop the bottle, we can take it to a better place. All they get to make me smile. So cool, so hip with the swag, it makes me fly. I feel so fly when I try. That thing that makes me alright. I feel so fly.
You shut up! Go and buy the book and then get it.
Yes, sir.
Hey,
My book.
I said keep quiet. Yes, sir. You are here for a purpose. And not to play. Keep quiet and learn. Yes, sir. I keep saying this. Keep quiet and learn. Shut up! What's the what kind of stupid boy? Come on. Listen, I'm leaving. If I hear any noise when I come back, sorry for yourself. I'll kill all of you.
Thank you.
Stop Make no mind, we help you. Hey! And what was that? Stella. You glad? No. And what was that? You not first. What's different? I story of this.
Mama told me I for be a good girl. I don't know that thing. Why you won't show me that thing? Mama told me I for be a good girl. I don't know that thing. Why you won't show me that thing? I go tell my mama, I go tell my papa, mangoes. Don't you touch my nyashi,
Fine size. Mr. Body wants to see you. Can't you see that I'm busy? Anyway, did he say that you want to see me or he just asking of me? Whatever. He said he wants to have a word with you. So he sent a friend like you. Excuse me, madam. Hey. Oh.
Did you say boiling?
Boiling. Ah, you this girl cry why? Mekanwanti.
It's not boiling, it's boring.
And so what? Huh?
It's here would Ah.
Would have been a year exam so classroom which are 70 crada.
I said me saying.
Hey, madam.
Average student.
Yes, you Mati. Mati, you would school was in Kadakoba. Oh, Frank. No, it's small baby. You know, can't my ye. Me, there's always a yastic or.
Me, Betsy, we for.
Mimi,
me SS3 for no. As I say, good boy, me, high spirit. I'm not more swag. I'm kind of.
Mamma, be your bass and person me in a disarmer. I don't really feel last time standing Diana.
Frank. And your mamma is slow. How?
Oh, girl, or some peggy for a minute and auntie.
Hey, how you feeling? Now we're working on a henny.
The filler man.
Filler.
Princess.
Sir?
Of late, I have notified that you are not doing well in mathematics. I then thought it wise to organize a special classes for you. What do you make of this?
Anyways, thank you, sir. But I'm not interested. Because nowhere in America is this that. No. I'm not actually interested, sir. Thank you.
How you feeling?
Chichuku.
Yeah.
The filler man.
Yeah.
The filler man.
Thank you for promoting my brand.
Yeah, that's him.
Say you were seeing happy.
Hey.
Now open.
I just who can come.
What kind of if I do this, he's here, say I here.
Oh.
Who shall we open me a mepede?
Hey!
And cancel from the filler man.
Oh. Filler.
Yeah, Prince, I understand you. I understand you're thinking about what to pay for the classes. Don't worry not. It's for free. Okay?
Free?
Sure.
Free?
Yeah.
These are the for free education student. I'm in Form 3 and then you know that, sir. Anyways, I'll think about that.
Well, you better think of it. Because I'm planning on giving you the examination questions to try your hands on when you get to the dormitory. Okay?
Okay.
Alright.
I'll get some new filler for you guys.
Young boy.
Do you know that Mr. Bwedi? I saw Mr. Bwedi and Vivian last night kissing, touching, and holding their private parts like their hands and their legs.
Kyekyeku.
What time?
Hey,
at the prep time.
Hey, you are lying. During the prep time, Mr. Bwedi was in our class.
Kyekyeku. Chicha wants some now. No, medium fees are special mind chair. You
can wait for us in the class if you are not ready to listen.
Continue. Listen.
It's not the prep time, people. Some talk come and lie on. I'll show them with their naked ass.
I think they are baton. Continue. And then Princess, one thing about what happened between Vivian, that girl, and I the other time.
Yeah.
Please make it a secret between you and I. Okay. Please. Okay.
Okay, fine. Anyways, you're paying for it. So
worry not about money. I'm going to take good care of you. So money, it's not a big deal. Alright?
Okay.
Okay.
I've understood.
Alright. Princess baby, take care of yourself, okay?
Okay.
Learn hard, okay?
Okay.
That's my girl.
I saw them, but they didn't saw me.
They didn't saw you?
Yes.
Kyekyeku. Saw. He see, not saw. Ah.
It can be see or saw. Add, you get seesaw. In the same way.
Same now, yes, you can.
See or saw is seesaw. seesaw, up and down.
It's okay. Continue with what you are saying.
Aha.
Alina, evening meal, Nelly.
Oh, I'm only at it. Forget it.
So food needed chala.
And that come and see.
We dear now, young one. No be easy.
And
line of superstition.
Bro, I used to be Eliyasu.
So if I saw them, they did son.
You are still saying so.
Hey,
you two, what is that?
I think I see so.
Continue. Who the last someone?
I'm not ready. Kyekyeku, come. Do you think it's easy to get a
classroom now?
It's okay, talk. Don't beat me again.
Kyekyeku, continue.
So I saw them, but they didn't saw me. Oh, back sir.
You are annoying.
So I saw them and they didn't saw me. So that's it. Saw them.
Guys, look at the pamper guy who is trending now on Facebook. Look at him.
Wow, Dale. He just swaggle. Serious. His pictures to the big dope on Facebook. Child, look.
And what happened? What did you know?
They were kissing themselves and touching themselves, holding their private parts like their hands. Yes.
The fella man.
Yeah.
Private parts.
Yeah.
This one.
Yeah, private parts.
I decided biology. I'm not correcting now.
Sorry.
Continue.
Sorry.
Thank you for using that word for sorry. For not correcting me. I say private if you like it or not. Here is your private part.
So continue.
So if that's the whole fella that I get for you. Hey,
Kyekyeku, the fella man.
Thank you for promoting my brand.
He uploaded this picture right now 5 minutes where you get 5k likes. About this be serious. Just 5 minutes. I posted the ST beto. Two people don't like my picture. Charlie.
Are you sure what you're saying is true?
I'm very 100% sure.
I'm not supporting you.
I can't believe what Kyekyeku said because there's been rumors about Mr. Boydi and Vivian actually having an affair.
Thank you. What do you have you heard it?
Last week in Kwan, I will suspension there. That's all. Display committee and
if
you friend me, I mean found.
He's the same guy I was talking about. He won the most famous guy in the Platinum Awards last year.
Wow, he deserves it. No wonder. But this guy got no swag past us.
Wow.
If we had registered for this SHS Platinum Awards last year, we would have won the most famous and the most fashionable them things.
Charlie, no easy.
If you don't believe, I'll do demonstration to you.
What demonstration?
You take me as Mr. Boydi and take this girl as Vivian. They will do like this. Mr. Boydi has do the face like this and hold Vivian face and do stop it. What did you say?
Kyekyeku,
you don't believe I'm doing the demonstration. You don't answer.
You are going to kiss her. This boy, you are mad.
You are mad.
See this, that's Santuago. Look at the comments.
The comment section. Yeah, check out.
I could throw my granny to sleep with this guy if I have him on my bed. The girl be crazy.
Some ladies them fool. You will kill your granny. Challenge.
What's up?
We should by all means win this year's Platinum Award. The most fashionable, most popular,
famous, everything.
What?
The guy also don't know come here, boy.
Let's go. The demonstration will come okay. Go to the demonstration. If you like it, okay. If you like it or not, you will do the demonstration.
So you are going to kiss her, right?
What the demonstration?
Look here.
I want to know. And I make a sound now show battle. Man, now come here any man. If I look when you what we will get. Because my dear
all the adjective qualification you have to win it.
By all means, Charlie.
The guy be fine.
I don't know be fine person. I don't see him. If he dark skin guy, me too I be dark skin guy. Oh, fresh boy.
Do. That's a new guy. When you move. The guy do.
If I look you, how do I get you? Hey, I'll be a professional gossiper.
What do you mean?
Kyekyeku.
Professional gossiper, who is your role model?
I have many plenty role models. I have role models like Kennedy Japan, Anas Aremeyaw Anas, and Fios Schwarzenegger, Zion Felix. Could you share this?
You are not
It's my role model.
You are not serious at all.
You are not serious at all.
This boy cry. Obi also about class no. Your preps in na you share adie. What you got it
I was doing my work. And nobody come to school or come to class to learn to go and do. Who all of us is going to be a nurse or doctor? Who is going to look for the patient?
Now concern I could use one of more a bit chaka.
And no come on, sir. How many people you see a professional gossiper?
I don't believe you.
It's a nice occupation, but you don't know. If you know here, I'm going to tell doesn't and that girl.
Hey, but make sure you come to the biology class.
I will come to the physics class. If I not go, I will be sick.
Kyekyeku. This boy is smart, power.
Fellow Ghanaians, this is King Sama. Thank you very much for watching Peer Pressure series. Dan and Madam for Bisu was it better Dino and then when you know how to reach, just pick up your phone, download the 1xBet app, register with the Peer Pressure promotion code Vision 2020 and get 200% bonus. This is very exciting. Join us on the 1xBet platform today and your life will never be the same. 1xBet, Yabama Ghana. Stake some bet and some cash. Now be feeling
another one this. It's first to the Kyekyeku. When you're lying. Yeah. We know the way for the hope. We're making our best to be grind. We never they carry last. I be you know. How much be your too much money? How much be your too many cars? Many friend porn with the blow more money. Money talk shall never compare with a swat.
Hello, baby girls, Hey, and who is here? Why are you here? Hey, shut up! I'm punished. Did you do a good thing? Hey, why is she kneeling?
We came to meet her comfortably sleeping.
All classes. Hey, shut up! You can't do this in America. You really know that. Your mates are learning in class and you're here relaxing. Like you in Form 3, just like me from America, and my little sister is at DJ Sweet. Hey! Shut your face up! Ugh.
Telling me I started this journey with a whole lot of people, but they gave up on the way to the top. Someone said the system no be too fair for the rise. I'm dark, so man I never stop because the way they said no be
fair. We so you know who can help you. Mama make it come.
Don't make them myself, man.
I
mean, okay, so the best thing one I discover in this one of the two books. My shoe when you saw oh my, it's not a feel. Not a job.
How did you punish her? So is this really the punishment? How my dear woman? Madam! Go and scrub the toilet. Hey! To toilet.
Mr. Hunter, I know well.
Hey, shut up! You know well, but you're relaxing. You have to be in the hospital by then, you know that. Get up! Stand up, get up, go. I'm in. You know I'm from America. I'm gonna have a chat with my girl. You know that? Yeah. Hey! Go. Walk majestically in front of me. Hey, girls.
I am a person I'm school. We say I'm a couple men sankai. The two mediums me sankai. And into my home. Na me so we hear books 10. And I will sankai when you two. Ya can also me so come. Na nyamia.
Mama. It's meant to open so long for Jibusiao. I said, well, this cannot bring us to one brown him say, you're not the shares and facet. What was all that kind? Books 10, not too. Oh,
yeah. What? It's Gary. Shit! Do you guys have any idea of how to cook chicken bog? Ew! I can eat chicken bog. Exactly! Oh, who the barbarians that don't know anything about it? Anyways, I have something to pop out.
Information Minister.
Hey, what did you just call me?
She, Abu here, and I'm an abasa. She, some seconds can check. The bedroom, the school one. So pass it, who now for. Nasra wo no mo books bi na fashi ade. Ni se hia fo ko school, ni me pe. Pachi, ni me pe.
Eh, mama. Na o ka se mi nku mi na wo fo no. O mo mpe me ni ma hwe o. O mo pese me bom mo nche, o mo se me bom me ho afi. Me bom mo nche me di hia na ba be san o mo. Hwe.
Anyway, I bounced onto the mass tutor busily kissing video during preparing hours. Hi,
Princess. Some jokes are expensive. This is your teacher for crying out loud. You shouldn't paint in black.
Hey, excuse you. Do I look like an artist to be painting artworks?
Ew! This is Mr. Bwedi in question. Hello. Why would you think Mr. Bwedi would do that? This is so baffling. A teacher kissing a student?
Hey! Is this a news? Of course. Listen to me. He himself called me and not to tell anybody. And if I should do that, he's gonna do maths classes free with me. I'm not gonna pay a penny.
He asked you not to tell anyone.
Exactly.
And he's going to give you questions.
Oh, yeah.
For our next test.
Yes.
Never give up. Che, if you say you will. When it will be now. Emphasis school now, walk on. We can't snatch your goo. And I was sure to some kind. I was sorry. And my way into Sintibia, and I'll be just screaming, Mesham, Miss Row, and your phone school.
Mamma, what kind of a fool? And your fool, a teacher fool moment. Mia, me no from no class, almost a moment. And some piano more catch them. If you may be a fear, time no more, your mamma, some men conquer. Besides, I mean, what thing? I can't know the only quarter in here. What's say about? And now, by when you need to your house, I may bro. Nancy, so,
Princess. That is the most funniest part. So I'll be receiving my maths course things. Exactly. So be expecting good marks from me. You know that.
Princess.
Oh yeah.
Princess.
Princess. Okay.
Princess.
Yes. Excuse you. Say what you want to pour out, because I am not interested. And then in the first place, you guys doubted when I said it. So I am not interested in what you want to vomit into what you eaten, the ill.
Yes.
You really have to be, because I'm gonna score good maths in March.
Princess.
Yes.
Princess.
Okay.
How am I coming?
Oh.
Would you please tell Mr. Bwedi
to save that rat I told you? I said save that. Save that.
And you're me pill. Hey, I'm here. And your pie ain't any bread, and I shall say the Miss Mebre. Miss Mebre, pa, Mebre. What's not school? The Baku Peneche. Who mean our best so? I'm in the PBB, mammy.
And now you are missing. If you ask one, no more corner, more ceremony, I didn't know. A baby baby, no Monsieur one vessel. The Indian so by you watching idea. We are here near her and Macayon.
I am not interested, okay? You doubted when I said that. Yes, so you better have to continue with that thing you're eating over there. I don't know what that is. What is that? Oh my G. Oh, anyway, I have some pizza, burger, cheese. Oh, I'm just gonna have fun, you know that? Enjoy with this. Ew. Oh!
No soon person shot at the fair friend, and person shampoo, papa.
I'm sorry.
Oh, beer. What? Oh, yeah, I can't tell you, sir. Missing your brother.
What day no one may carry on now? Why? You never about it. And you see what's it?
Next on Peer Pressure.
Michael.
Yes, sir.
You are in my class.
But this your coconut is somewhere. What are you reading over there? Are you kidding me?
Hey, madam, why are you shouting on top of your voice like a barbarian? Listen, you can't really do this in New Jersey. Not anywhere in America could you do this. And come to think of it, you're just blowing your own trumpet.
Sushano, the cat's copying it happened.
You know, saying, bro, I know how we go, miss.
About culture battles are against the one half battle, and so then it was a usual to that. And no,
K in the building. It's first to the Kyekyeku. Violin. Yeah. Vision. Say, Mobian Dada, more in Brady, and one pay your crab one pair. Mobian more pressure, him caught on strong man best friend. Schoolgirl CP needs to buy open now for same day I will be a lesbian. Fraud boys be near boy or back class hour depends no team seen to the bank. More in break. And Satanya about you 240. Peer pressure, if you rose one can't see me never found yeah, and I'm in my wood. It became Mujagu for the council, trying to 7 flags. I know the other. Sugar mama phone a day to a new thing come out. What choice say, yeah, my papa. But be any fear free me to ye be a to. Now for some, no go take you anywhere to stay cool. Be any fear free me to ye be a to. Now for some, no go take you anywhere to stay cool. And that's a before, peer pressure before. 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 Peer pressure, peer pressure, peer pressure, pressure, peer pressure, peer pressure, peer pressure. Pressure. Be any fear free me to ye be a to. Now for some no go take you anywhere to stay cool. Be any fear free me to ye be a to. Now for some no go take you anywhere to stay cool. And yes, a before, peer pressure before.